emergency stop, control stop.
Jesus.
Be good at this one. What did the video say?
Brake before clutch.
Yeah.
And then stamp the clutch down the last minute.
Good. And how many tests did they do it in?
1 and 3.
And why did you not have time to check your mirrors for?
Because you'll have travel. It's like 45 feet.
It is, well done. 45 feet per second, excellent. And then why does the examiner want you to take a tighter grip?
To get more control, because if you steer off to the left, you're going to endanger pedestrians.
Before that one, when you're braking in emergencies, it's a balance of the weight from the rear wheels to the front.
Oh, yeah.
So you need to take a tighter grip. The examiner wants you to stop in a straight line. Why is that?
Because if you go to the left, you'll endanger pedestrians. If you go to the right, you'll endanger.
Good. And when you stop, what do you do?
Handbrake neutral.
Excellent. And then where do you look before you move off?
All mirrors, blind spot, and then your back blind spots.
Both blind spots, yeah. Pushing the middle of the road. Well, and what's the main cause of skidding?
Is it putting the clutch down too early?
Braking, accelerating, and steering.
Yeah.
So all driver errors on them.
Yeah.
So if you brake so hard,
Make it anti-lock.
that's it, yeah, the ABS will kick in. Now if that does kick in, it tells you to keep the brake on.
Yeah.
That's in the manufacturer's guide. If your rear car skids to the right, which way should you steer? This is for future reference, it's not going to happen.
So if you go to the right,
So you go around a bend to the left and the back end starts to kick out.
just steer to the right.
You would, and you just stay like that. Well, that's that done. You just need to get the technique done now. It helps watching the videos, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So if you brake so hard that you lock the wheels and the ABS will kick in,
Yeah.
you just keep your brake on until it stops. Now we're just going to pull up on the left, just past this side, but I know we're not going to stop on the double yellow light. We wouldn't want to stop on the double yellow light, just pull in here. Have a look in your mirror, see if we need a signal. I thought they were going to pull out there. Closer to the curb, put your signal back on. That'll do them. That's a bit far off, isn't it? Right, tell me what you. So all I want you to do. So go at the brake quickly. Just do that. What did I do with the brake?
Push it down.
I didn't push it halfway down, did I? And I didn't stamp it down.
Yeah.
So you just go to the brake, just push it straight to the floor, and at the very last second, stamp the clutch. Have you got that?
Yeah.
When you stop, I'm braking you. Right, we're going to do it. Get the technique right first, then we're going to do like the examiner. So I'm just going to say cover brake, and we'll say push at the floor, then let's stamp the clutch. Right, let's do it. It'll be alright. Just going to put my hand around here. And you have to check both blind spots because you're in the middle of the road, so really we should have checked that one to go straight to gears. So there's going to be no body part, so you've got nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
So if you just cover your brake and push it right to the front of the clutch. Jesus.
Bloody hell.
That's it. Now what do you do? Wow, drive on when you're ready.
Bloody hell.
That was perfect technique, that.
Christ.
Put in the first.
Bloody whiplash.
Right, both shoulders. That's it, move your right one. Good. Right, that was really good technique, that. Really good. See how quick it stopped, though? And because you left the clutch late, going straight to gears. But maybe if it was rain, I'd be a bit worried. Might lock the wheels and skid. Now at the end of the road, turn right. Fast as you get there. And don't forget the rise and brake. I think I won't come out to work about that. But yeah, that was good. So we'll do one more like that. Straight to gears. Maybe it's not as much pressure on the brake.
Yeah.
But make sure nobody's overtaking you. Just get past them. And then we're going to do like the examiner. And then take the second weight, that's your first one. That's one. Right, so we're going to do that again. Clutch at the very, very last second, yeah.
Okay.
So there's nobody about, is it? No?
Okay, what there?
Right, we're going to do another. Cover your brake and push it right to the floor. Clutch. Oh, that time wasn't as hard, was it?
No.
Right, handbrake on. Put in neutral. I prefer the other one.
Yeah.
Put it into first and then look around off you go. That's it. Right, so we're going to do it again.
Okay.
Well, it gives a big gas, there's nobody about. Now go to the brake,
Yeah.
push it right down. Perfect. Perfect.
Sorry, I'm swearing a lot.
That's it. Right, driving when you're ready. That was better. Oh, remember both shoulders because you're in the middle of the road. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to do like the driving exam here. So at the end of the road we're turning right. Now I'm going to just say stop.
Okay.
Yeah, now the examiner will pull you in beforehand and explain what he wants you to do. This time get right up the white lines. And he will say to you, I may look round beforehand. Press gear. He'll say, please try not to preempt the signals, take your signal back on. And so he's going to make sure it's safe, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so I want to imagine it's your driving test. I'm going to say stop. And I want park and brake in neutral. And then look around when you're driving, okay? The car's coming. The second right, that's your first one. I've only ever seen it done in second and third gear. Never seen it done in first. I've seen it done in fourth ones. Right, so concentrate. Oh, that car's coming smooth. Yeah, so I'll go to a different road. Straight ahead, second exit. Good.
Oh, he's fleeing.
No, is he?
Jesus
Wow.
Christ.
Oh boy, races look.
No.
Whoa.
That's dangerous, that.
When I was watching your videos, you was straight again. I remember thinking you need to sort your caps out of the roundabout. Can you clutch all the way? Right, now concentrate. Stop. Thank you. Are you driving when you're ready? Right, sure again. So I would put it into first, that's your handbrake, straight gears. I would put it into first and then look all around, because if you look all around, then by the time you put it first, somebody's going to come just straight ahead, second exit. Right, we're going to do that again, but yeah, that would be a pass, well done, there'd be no fault recorded on that. Yeah, good technique. I'm going to do it again. Stop. Well done. Right, drive when you're ready. Yep, well done. Is there any questions about that?
I think so.
It's not hard, is it? Not when you get the technique right. Yeah.
Jeez.
normally do 3, but yeah, really good, well done. Right, what was the hardest part for you? Joining the dual carriageways, turn right across them, or emerging right across them?
I think it's
Centre reservation, or joining, or
Yeah,
turning right across them?
central reservation bit.
Emerging right. Yeah, well, go and have another go with that. Need a signal to pull in? That'll do. Right, I think you've done the deal then.
All right.
What could you get better at?
I think judging when to go, like where the gaps are.
That could improve, yeah. What else?
Maybe the positioning on
That was
there.
just bit heavy footed, that was all.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit slow. Right, which was the hardest, joining, leaving, or over 10 right across them?
I think turn right.
Emerging right.
Yeah, merging
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
That's hard work, isn't it?
I think it's because I know, like I said, I know there's loads of accents on there.
Yeah, there is.
Oh,
Really.
you know.
Right, so you know that last one we done where we cut off to the right? You went over there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Right, but then the van came and blocked our view, so that's the downside of that.
Yeah.
But when I said I think we'll go too far in, I watched the green car, they got in and their front end was level, so probably that was the best way to do it. So the downside of that one is that cars do come on your left from here, block your view, but also can block your view from there, especially if it's a great big van.
Yeah.
So is there anything you don't understand about that?
No, I think it's hard. Just judging when to go, I think that's the
Yeah,
only.
I'll just come and explain. So if the centre reservation wasn't wide enough, what would you have to do?
Would you
Have to wait till
look both ways?
both ways is clear. And if it is wide enough, that's the best position to do. If it's not, then certainly you can cut off the right, but we've seen the downside of that.
Yeah.
What about joining?
Not to steer and just
Just a
be
drift in.
parallel. Yeah.
What about turn right across the hill?
Not to position yourself. What do you do closer to the left?
Yeah, just over there like that.
Yeah.
Got that? Emergency stop. Yeah, well done with that. That was really good technique. Right, have you any questions before I go?
No.
Sure.
Sure.
Just text me. Watch the rest of the videos. We're going to be overtaken on the year 19. You know what that is, don't you?
Yeah.
We're going to be overtaken and probably get the spy roundabouts done.
Oh God.
Right,
Thank
see you later. Just
See you
text me what you've got free, yeah?
I will.